Welcome to the future. 2025 has introduced a new generation of AI applications that are smarter, faster, and more powerful than anything we've seen before. Today, we journey into the heart of innovation to explore the most advanced AI tools that are fundamentally transforming communication, creativity, business, education, and our daily lives. This is the world of next-level technology, where the lines between human and machine intelligence blur, creating possibilities once confined to science fiction. Our first stop is a breakthrough that dismantles the oldest barrier in human history, language. The real-time translator. AI is not just an update, it's a revolution. Imagine speaking in your native tongue and having your voice instantly and flawlessly converted into over 100 different languages. The key here is not just translation, but preservation of identity. The AI maintains your vocal tone, your cadence, and your emotion, delivering it with a perfect, native-sounding accent. Delays are almost non-existent, making conversations feel natural and fluid. For global travelers, this app turns every interaction into a local experience. For international business, it eliminates misunderstandings and accelerates partnerships. In online gaming, teams from across the world can now strategize in real time. For friendships that span continents, it builds bridges of genuine connection. The world is finally speaking with one voice, yet celebrating the richness of all its languages. Next, we witness a paradigm shift in content creation with the ultra-fast video editor AI. The painstaking process of video editing, which once took hours, days, or even weeks, is now compressed into minutes. The interface is deceptively simple. You just type what you want. Describe a scene, an emotion, a style, and the AI gets to work. It automatically sources or generates clips, crafts dynamic animations, applies seamless transitions, and composes a fitting musical score. It even generates accurate subtitles in multiple languages. For YouTubers, this means more content, faster. For marketing teams, it means creating compelling ad campaigns in record time. For independent filmmakers, it democratizes high-quality production, allowing vision to take precedence over budget. Students can now create professional-grade video presentations for their projects with ease. This isn't just an editor, it's a creative collaborator that understands your vision and brings it to life instantly. Now let us explore a technology that gives a voice to the voiceless and expands the creative palette for everyone. The AI Voice Clone Studio. This tool achieves what was once thought impossible, perfectly replicating any voice from just a few seconds of audio. The result is not a robotic approximation, but a rich, natural, and human-like voice, complete with subtle inflections and emotional nuances. The applications are boundless. For audiobook narration, a single reader can now produce an entire cast of characters. For documentary filmmakers, it offers a consistent, high-quality voiceover without expensive studio time. In content creation, you can use your own cloned voice to narrate videos even when you're unable to record. It's also a powerful tool for dubbing films and shows, making global content more accessible and authentic. Your voice, or any voice you choose with permission, becomes a versatile instrument ready to tell stories, explain concepts, and connect with audiences on a deeper level. Creativity itself is being redefined by AI art and 3D creator apps. These tools are the digital canvas of the 21st century, turning simple text prompts into breathtaking visual art. Describe a cyberpunk city at sunset with flying cars, and a stunning high-resolution image appears. Need a new logo for your brand? The AI can generate hundreds of options in seconds. But it doesn't stop at 2 dimensions. These platforms can now generate complete, textured, and rigged 3D models and entire virtual scenes from a simple description. For artists and designers, it's an incredible brainstorming partner. For filmmakers and game developers, it dramatically accelerates the creation of assets and environments, allowing them to build worlds faster than ever imagined. AI is not replacing creativity. It's augmenting it, removing technical barriers and leaving only the pure, limitless expanse of human imagination. In the world of software development, the AI coding assistant is proving to be the ultimate partner. This isn't just an advanced autocomplete function. It's a collaborative programmer that understands context and intent. It writes clean, efficient code in multiple languages, explains complex algorithms in simple terms, identifies and fixes bugs before they become major issues, and even helps architect entire applications. For beginners, it acts as an interactive mentor, accelerating the learning curve and building confidence. For seasoned professionals, it handles the repetitive, time-consuming tasks, freeing them up to focus on high-level problem-solving and innovation. Productivity skyrockets, errors decrease, and the entire development lifecycle becomes smarter and more streamlined. AI is fundamentally changing how we build the digital world. Let's turn to the corporate landscape, where AI business automation apps are driving a new industrial revolution. These systems act as a company's central nervous system, intelligently managing workflows that were once manual and labor-intensive. They can sort and prioritize emails, automatically respond to common inquiries, and schedule meetings across multiple time zones without conflict. In marketing, AI can analyze market trends, craft targeted campaigns, and track performance in real time. It generates complex financial reports, manages inventory, and powers 24/7 customer support chatbots that resolve issues with surprising efficiency. For small businesses and startups, this is a game changer, providing access to operational power that was once the exclusive domain of large corporations. It levels the playing field, allowing companies of all sizes to save time, reduce costs, and operate with unprecedented efficiency. Education is also undergoing a profound transformation thanks to AI education tutors. Learning is no longer confined to the classroom or a fixed curriculum. With these apps, every student has access to a personal, patient, and knowledgeable tutor available anytime, anywhere. Struggle with a math problem? The AI doesn't just give you the answer, it walks you through the steps and explains the underlying concepts. Preparing for an exam? It can create customized practice tests and identify areas where you need more focus. Want to learn a new skill, like a musical instrument or a programming language? Your AI tutor provides interactive lessons and instant feedback. Knowledge is becoming more personalized, more accessible, and more engaging than ever before, empowering a new generation of lifelong learners. Our personal well-being is perhaps the most important frontier for AI. The latest AI health assistants are more than just fitness trackers. They are intelligent wellness partners. These apps monitor vital data like sleep patterns, heart rate variability, diet, and daily activity with incredible precision. But their true power lies in analysis. The AI can identify trends, offer personalized recommendations for improving your health, and even help predict potential issues by spotting subtle, early symptoms. It can suggest workout routines tailored to your goals, provide nutritional guidance based on your dietary needs, and offer mindfulness exercises to help manage stress. With AI by your side, taking proactive control of your health becomes simpler, smarter, and deeply personalized, empowering you to live a longer, healthier life. For musicians and creators, the AI music producer is a complete recording studio in your pocket. The barrier to entry for creating high-quality music has vanished. You can start with a simple idea. Choose a genre, describe a mood, or even hum a melody. The AI then generates original beats, compelling vocal lines, intricate harmonies, and full instrumental tracks in an instant. It's an endless source of inspiration for professional musicians stuck in a creative rut. For YouTubers and filmmakers, it provides a library of original, royalty-free music that perfectly matches the tone of their content. For hobbyists, it's a fun and intuitive way to explore the joy of music creation. AI is democratizing sound, allowing anyone to become a composer. The world of animation is also being reshaped by AI animation makers. The traditionally slow and meticulous process of bringing characters and stories to life is now being automated. Simply feed the AI a script and it can generate entire animated scenes. You have full creative control over the style. Choose from 2D, 3D, cartoon, anime, or photorealistic visuals. The AI handles the character rigging, lip syncing, and movement, turning a process that once took teams of animators weeks into a task that can be completed in hours. This technology is opening up new possibilities for independent creators, advertising agencies, and educational content producers, allowing them to create dynamic visual stories on a scale that was previously unimaginable. In our information-saturated world, AI research and analysis tools are becoming indispensable. We are constantly flooded with long documents, complex articles, scientific papers, and dense reports. These AI tools act as your personal research assistant. They can read and comprehend hundreds of pages in seconds, then provide you with a concise, accurate summary of the key information. They can extract specific data points, identify major themes, and even analyze the sentiment of the text. For students, researchers, financial analysts, and legal professionals, this is a superpower. It allows them to process vast amounts of information quickly, ensuring they have the insights they need to make informed decisions without getting lost in the details. Finally, the new generation of AI virtual assistants has evolved into true digital partners. They are more proactive, more intuitive, and more deeply integrated into our lives than ever before. They don't just respond to commands, they anticipate your needs. They can manage your calls, intelligently filter your messages, organize your calendar, and remind you of important tasks. But they go further, helping to plan your daily routines, book travel, manage documents, and even suggest ways to improve your productivity. Your AI assistant becomes a central hub for your digital life, simplifying complexity and freeing up your mental energy to focus on what truly matters. These are just a few of the most powerful new AI applications of 2025. They are tools that save us time, amplify our creativity, boost our productivity, and are actively shaping the future of our world. The AI revolution is no longer a distant promise. It has begun, and you are living in it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates on the future of AI and technology.